Hello students, welcome to our channel. So this is a question on NET December 2024 from NET December 2024, and question is on complex integration. So a function is given and here 1 upon 2 pi is given. So we have to calculate the complex integration. So we can see here z is equal to 2 is a pole of order 2. And you can see z is equal to 2 is well inside our contour. So we have to just calculate 1 over 2 pi I. What is the value of this contour integration? 2 pi I into sum of residue. So just sum of residue is the answer, and residue will be calculated on only 2 because only one singularity is there, that is z is equal to 2. So let us calculate residue. So it is a second order pole, so residue will be given by limit z tending towards 2 1 upon 2 minus 1 factorial d2 minus 1 by dz 2 minus 1, then z minus 2 whole square 5 upon z minus 2 whole square into sine kz. So this cancels and it will become 5k sine cos, differentiation of sine, and k will come out, and k into 2 because finally we have to put z is equal to 2. So this is the answer, which is answer 1. So many questions we have done in class on the contour integration, and this is one of the simple question that has been asked in this exam. So you should practice complex integration. Lot of questions were asked this time. I think 2 or 3 questions were there, and this is one of the very simple questions. Thank you.